breaking news, and this is in regard to Akshay Kumar, the actor, who has flagged as far as video gaming is concerned and the risks that it can impose. And this is by giving example of his own daughter. He's gone on to say that the player misbehaved with his daughter, and children can be easily targeted while playing video games on their mobile phones. And that is the warning that is being put out by the actor Akshay Kumar. And he has spoken about how his daughter was subjected to misbehavior, a player that misbehaved with the daughter, and that children can become easily targeted while playing video games, innocently playing games on their phones or their laptops. Let's listen in to the actor.
एक छोटा सा वाक्य आप लोगों को सुनाना चाहता हूं जो मेरे घर पे कुछ महीने पहले घटी थी। मेरी डॉटर एक वीडियो गेम खेल रही थी और तो कुछ वीडियो गेम्स होते हैं जो आप किसी के साथ खेल सकते हो, कोई अननोन स्ट्रेंजर के साथ आप खेल रहे होते हो। आप जब खेल रहे होते हो तो वहां से कभी मैसेज आता है, थैंक यू, ओ दैट वाज ग्रेट, यू आर डूइंग सो गुड, अरे फैंटास्टिक, वेरी कर्टियस मैसेज। एंड सडनली द पर्सन सेड, from where are you? And she wrote, Mumbai. And then suddenly, अपने आप फिर नॉर्मल चल रहा है सब कुछ, अरे वेल प्लेड, बहुत अच्छा किया, ये है, थैंक यू, बहुत कर्टियस, ऐसा लगा कि बहुत ही रिस्पेक्टेड, कोई जो भी सामने खेल रहा हो, बहुत रिस्पेक्टेड। फिर एक मैसेज आया, आर यू मेल और फीमेल? So she replied, female. Okay. It went on. And then he sent a message, can you send me a nude picture of yours? It was my daughter. She switched off the whole thing. She went and told my wife, and this is how everything begins. It was great that she went and spoke to my wife about it. This is how things begin. ये भी एक साइबर क्राइम का ही एक हिस्सा है, जहां से लोग, बच्चे जो होते हैं, they get carried away. एक्सटॉर्शन पैसा फिर देना पड़ता है, उसके बाद बहुत सारी और सारी चीजें होती हैं। देयर आर many cases, I'm sure many cases of suicide happens. This is how everything starts.
Abira joining us. Well, Abira, the actor there, while voicing concerns as a parent for his own child, giving an example of what his daughter was subjected to, and really, opening eyes for parents that how it really starts innocently while playing a video game. I have also played a video game. I've been subjected to knowing that I'm from India, and that was a problem, that the country of origin was a problem. And I have also been subjected to, a lot of hate coming my way because I belong to India. And of course, we know where those messages would be coming from. But take us through, Akshay Kumar there highlighting the issues when it comes to, using platforms to play video games.
Let me first tell you that it takes a lot of courage for a superstar like him to come into a public platform and talk about his daughter facing something like this. Usually, they are always under wraps. They don't come out. If they come out, it comes out from the police, but not from the actors. So we have to give it to him for talking about it. Because if it can happen to them who are superstars, who have the accessibility and everything, a security, but there's no bodyguards or security where the kids are playing online. Nobody can save anybody online. And that's what it really means, that it doesn't matter if you're a superstar or you're a middle class person, if you're a child or an adult, like you said, you being an adult, you have got hate comments. A child, nobody is safe. So it was very important, this statement coming from Akshay Kumar. We have to give it to him for saying something like this and this only can aware more parents and more people that we are not safe out there and we need to take care of it. So for a superstar to come out and talk about it, it's a huge deal.